Rubbermaid Brilliance Pantry organization and food storage containers with airtight lids, set of 10, 20 pieces total. Rubbermaid modular food storage containers can hold pasta, baking ingredients, or other pantry staples, save space and keep pantry organized. Great for pet food, easy to clean, and scoop food from, and tight lids keep out moisture and humidity. Lids snap tight to help keep food fresh. Containers stacked for compact storage. Thick durable container walls for everyday use. Freezer safe, top rack dishwasher safe, and BPA free. Set of 10 food storage containers includes one 19.9 cup, one 16 cup, one 12 cup, one 8.1 cup, one 7.8 cup, one 6.6 cup, one 3.2 cup, one 1.3 cup, and two 0.5 cup mini containers, plus lids, for a total of 20 pieces. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.